Hey everyone, my name is Ashton. Guess what time it is? It's Bible story time! Today's Bible story is about the two brothers we learned about a few lessons ago, named Jacob and Esau. They were twins. Esau was born first, so their tradition said that Esau was supposed to get his father's blessing and all his stuff when he died. His brother Jacob did a very wicked thing to Esau. Jacob tricked his father into blessing him instead of Esau. Jacob stole Esau's blessing and stuff. Uh-oh. Esau got more than just a little upset. He threatened to hurt Jacob. So Jacob ran for his life. Years and years went by, and the brothers never talked to each other or saw each other. After many years, Jacob really wanted to apologize to his brother. Jacob heard that Esau and his family were close by. Jacob sent messengers to Esau and told him that he wanted to make up for what he did. He offered gifts, animals, and other things to Esau. Jacob was excited when his messengers arrived back at his camp, but they came with scary news. The messengers told Jacob, Esau is on his way here with an army of 400 men. When Jacob heard this news, he was very, very scared. Jacob worried that Esau was coming to hurt him and his family. There was only one thing Jacob could do: pray. He got on his knees and prayed to God, "Please rescue me from Esau." Jacob knew he needed God's help, so his brother would forgive him. The next day, Esau arrived at Jacob's camp. Jacob ran out to meet Esau. He bowed down before his brother like a servant. Esau grabbed Jacob, pulled him close, and hugged him. Whew! Esau forgave his brother Jacob for all the things he had done. It wasn't easy for Esau to forgive, but he knew that forgiveness is one of the important seeds we should plant in our family. When someone in our family hurts our feelings or does something we don't like, we must always forgive them because we would want them to forgive us. Today, we're going to learn all about planting the seed of forgiveness in our family. Well, I hope you enjoyed our Bible